Social media is a great tool to not only present your business online, but also expand it. Statistics on the matter show that as of July 2022, 4.7 billion people worldwide use social media, while social media use in United States is one of the highest in the world, with 80.9% of the population being active social media users. Using the abilities the social media has to offer, you can connect your business to your current customers and stay engaged to them constantly, while at the same time building more awareness and engagement towards the goal of having more sales. Social media can present your business to your local community, but it also gives you a potential to engage much broader audience. Statistics on the matter show that 71% of the consumers who have had a positive experience with the brand on social media are likely to recommend the brand to their friends and family. This is what we at Reachy.org targeting. Utilizing the most popular social media channels, we release highly engaging content to your community, manage your online presence, and engage your community on a daily basis. Our goal is to have your community up to date on everything your business does, get them more interested in your product in general, and grow your sales. We create, schedule, and publish posts from your business to everyone that follows you on social media, engage with them, act as basic customer support for your community, and cover the complete online and social media presence of your business. Businesses are using social media to engage and manage their own communities, but also target specific groups that people would target ads in order to convert leads to new customers. With the possibility of targeting local communities or audiences as broad as the whole world, social media gives that possibility. Social media management, customer support in your community, community management, or targeted Facebook and Instagram ads for community growth. At Reachy, we got you covered on everything you need to manage your online presence. For your digital marketing, web development, and e-commerce needs, please visit us at www.zionike.net. Thank you for watching Zionike digital marketing videos. Please check our channel for other exciting and informative videos. Like, share, and subscribe for many more to come soon. Bye!